It's Flounder! Let's make a play-doh flounder today. Hi, Flounder. Do you like my new shells? Yeah, Ariel. Do you think they make my tail look big? No, you look great. Flounder, what's the matter? You seem really down. You're not your usual cheerful self. Oh, it's my friend Nemo. He's always getting lost. I just want to play and hang out and be friends, but he's always getting into danger, or I can never find him. Ariel, what's that sound? Ah! Oh, it's Tentaclor. He's got Nemo. See what I mean? Yeah. Well, what are we gonna do? How are we gonna save him? I'm so afraid, Ariel. Flounder, you need to be brave, okay? I've got an idea. All right, I'm going to put some seaweed over Tentaclor's big eyeball, and I want you to go and help Nemo get away. But Ariel, I'm afraid. You can do it. Oh, you can do it. I believe in you. I'm gonna go get the seaweed. Now be quick. Okay, Flounder. I got the seaweed on him. Can you go and rescue Nemo? Nemo, let's go. Okay, now let's swim. Let's get away. Okay, Nemo, come on, let's go. Let's get out of here. Wow, guys, thanks for helping me escape from Tentaclor. That was really fun. Let's go play hide and seek. No. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.